Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best Accord headlights is probably one of the most essential components of your 2015 Honda Accord, ensuring both your visibility and safety on the road. These headlights not only light up the path ahead, but also play a vital role in signaling your presence to other drivers, making them a critical factor in preventing accidents and complying with traffic regulations. Choosing the right headlights is therefore paramount for a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Number 5. Auto Dynasty headlights for Honda Accord 2013 to 2015. These headlights significantly improve brightness, allowing you to see the road clearly at night or in bad weather. This enhancement helps you avoid accidents, making your driving experience much safer. These headlights are specifically designed to fit Honda Accord 4-door models from 2013 to 2015. They are a perfect match for your vehicle, ensuring a seamless fit and optimal performance. Made with high-quality, sealed ABS plastic and durable polycarbonate, it offers excellent resistance to impact and water. This ensures a long-lasting life, no matter the conditions. Installation is quick and easy with a direct bolt-on fit. These headlights are designed in a plug-and-play style, requiring no modifications or drilling. It's the ideal replacement for your old headlights. The headlights use halogen bulbs with a projector low beam. The bulb models are 9005 for high beam and H11 for low beam, which are not included. The signal light is 1157A, also not included. The housing color is black, and the lens is clear. What we like. This headlight assembly boasts a solid waterproof design, ensuring durability in any weather condition. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design, requiring no modifications. If you prioritize safety and ease of installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy install looks much better than the foggy OEM. Package arrived good and protected. Seller obviously cared. 1 week heavy driving and God, I got to say these are very good and simple to install. Took me and a buddy about 30 to 45 minutes. Bumper does have to come off. If something happens, I will come back and change it. So far so good. Housing is a drop-in replacement and fit is good. All bulbs and bulb housings fit correctly. Number 4. ACANII headlights for 2013 to 2015 Honda Accord Sedan. Are you looking to upgrade your Honda Accord's headlights? These ACANII headlights are designed specifically for the 2013 to 2015 sedan models. They are a perfect replacement. This set includes both the driver and passenger side headlights. The package includes the lens and housing. It's everything you need for a complete replacement. These headlights meet all necessary regulations in both the USA and Canada. They are DOT and SAE stamped, ensuring they meet safety standards. You can be confident in its quality. These headlights are designed to replace your stock assembly. The lenses ensure full illumination, providing maximum safety. It's a straightforward replacement process. Please note that installation instructions are not included. Professional installation is recommended. Also, a signature may be required upon delivery. We offer a 30-day return policy for your peace of mind. If you're not satisfied with the product, you can return it within 30 days. We want you to be happy with your purchase. What we like. This product meets all regulations in the USA and Canada, with DOT and SAE stamps for guaranteed quality. It ensures full illumination for maximum safety. If you value peace of mind and want a reliable product, this one is a great option. What people say. Identical to my stock. Easy to install. You can watch a few videos as to which screws to remove, but these came quick and you can totally see the difference. Headlights made a huge difference in visibility. Number 3. MUNIRATER Accord 2013 to 2015 Headlight Assembly. This is a replacement headlight assembly for your Accord. It is designed for the 2013 to 2015 4-door sedan models with halogen headlights. This headlight assembly is compatible with factory halogen headlight models without DRL. It replaces part numbers 33100T2AA01, 33150T2AA01, H02502151, and H02503151. The headlight assembly allows you to see the road clearly at night and in bad weather. It improves your visibility and driving safety. The special housing is resistant to water and impact, ensuring long-lasting durability. It's built to withstand various conditions. This is a direct bolt-on replacement for your original headlights. No wiring or modifications are needed, making installation simple. What we like. This headlight assembly offers a direct bolt-on replacement, making installation straightforward. Its special housing is resistant to water and impact, ensuring long-lasting durability. If you're looking for a hassle-free upgrade that enhances your night vision, this is the one for you. What people say. Installation was tedious but manageable with patience. They arrived quickly, fit perfectly, everything went back in place. Wasn't a quick install because you have to take everything off to get to headlights, but in the end they fit, they work right, so mission accomplished. Brightness of the lighting improved as well. Number 2. Headlight assembly for 2013 to 2015 Honda Accord Sedan. This headlight assembly is designed for the 2013 to 2015 Honda Accord Sedan models with factory halogen headlights. It will significantly improve your car's appearance and performance. The excellent light output creates a broader and smoother beam. This allows others to quickly notice you at night, ensuring the safety of you and others on the road. Made with sturdy and lightweight PC and PP materials, it's waterproof and dustproof. This ensures it can withstand various weather conditions, providing long-lasting performance. The package includes a pair of headlights with bulbs. However, installation instructions are not included, and professional installation is recommended. We have a professional technical team ready to assist you. If you encounter any issues, our after-sales service team will provide timely support to help you. What we like. This headlight assembly features LED DRL for enhanced visibility, creating a broader and smoother beam. It's also waterproof and dustproof, perfect for any road condition. If you want to stand out and increase your safety, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect fit. The description says bulbs included. Number 1. JSBOYAT headlight assembly for Honda Accord 2013 to 2015. Introducing the JSBOYAT headlight assembly, designed specifically for your Honda Accord. This set includes both the driver and passenger side headlights, ensuring a complete upgrade for your vehicle. These headlights are compatible with 2013 to 2015 Honda Accord Sedan 4-door models. They are a perfect fit for EX, EXL, LX, Sport, and Touring trims. The high beam uses 9005 bulbs, and the low beam uses H11 bulbs, with LED DRL. The headlight is constructed with high-quality, durable materials. The housing is fully sealed and made of OEM-grade polycarbonate plastic, making it waterproof up to IP65. This ensures excellent weather and impact resistance, providing bright and reliable lighting. These headlights are made with safe, certified materials that meet or exceed OEM requirements. The microprism reflectors and chrome finishes enhance light reflectivity, increasing visibility at night. This gives you a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Installation is simple with a plug-and-play design. It's a direct bolt-on replacement for your stock unit, requiring no modifications or drilling. While installation instructions aren't included, the process is straightforward. Get your new headlights quickly with fast shipping from the USA, arriving within 2 to 5 working days. The set comes as a pair, and if you have any issues, feel free to contact JSBOYAT via Amazon. They will respond to your message within 12 working hours. What we like. This headlight assembly includes LED DRL for increased visibility and safety. It's constructed with premium, waterproof housing materials. If you are looking for a stylish upgrade with easy installation and enhanced safety features, you should consider this one. What people say. This assembly gives you the LED DRL option, which is a nice contemporary upgrade. It works as intended and the fit is almost perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.